Very few students joining on time. Nishkash,
Good morning, ma'am.
Pranjal. Good morning, dear.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. Why students are late? Other your friends are late. Why so? I think I've already shown you the paper many times, and you've also seen the tenses are there in your syllabus, though there are a lot of things which are deleted, but tenses are not deleted. And we saw which type of questions are generally given in the sample paper beta for tenses. You know your exams are starting from November now. How many of you know that your exams are starting? You've got a date sheet also on the groups.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So after these exercises, I'll be discussing the syllabus with you people. Okay? Whatever is there, whatever is going to come in exams, exactly the same. See your sample paper, exactly same type of exam paper will come. Same type of letters will come. Everything would be the same only. So just see the sample paper and then study and prepare yourself accordingly, all of you. Okay, we are going to start with tenses now. Spring is a time when everything on earth dash with fruits and flowers, and it dash a very beautiful time of the year. If we dash it with life, childhood is the spring of life, and once it is lost, it the children who pick garbage every day and find their life in garbage, as it is the source of their livelihood. The childhood of these children dash in earning money. They dash no relation with culture and education for them has no meaning. You have to convert it into suitable form of the verb beta. Please keep in mind that tenses should not change with a situation which is always true. Something which was true, is true, and will always remain true. There, please do not change the tenses. Got my point? These paragraphs are tricky such in such a manner only that you generally change everything to past. But don't do this, don't hurry, think whether this has changed today or not. If it has not changed, then do not change the tense. Understood what I'm saying, Vita? Now please start doing the exercise. Then we'll discuss the answers. Once you finish, raise your hands. Only the first one has to be done. Is there any Sudhir Singh in your class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Just the first one. As soon as you finish the first one, raise your hands, Vita. Whoever finished the first one, raise your hands.
Ma'am, Anmol Mohan wants to enter.
Beta, is there any Anand Kumar in your class?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
I think it's Keshav.
Acha, Keshav is using this name. Okay, fine.
Ma'am, Anmol.
Anmol is in, na? Your best friend has come, don't worry. So restless without your friends. I understand you have not met them for months now. Anmol, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
अनमोल बेटा आपका फ्रेंड बहुत परेशान हो रहा था आपके बिना. Okay, you are lucky to have such a friend. Otherwise, you don't get true friends. He is your true friend. Who was the true friend जो बार बार अनमोल को याद कर रहे थे? Tell me, who was the true friend of Anmol? It's good, beta. मैं बुराई नहीं कर रही हूँ. I'm appreciating. I'm really saying very good. You're such a good friend. You're a true friend of Anmol. Anmol is lucky to have you. Anmol should know, na, who is the true friend. Who was the true friend? You. Anmol, you are so lucky. You have got such nice friends.
Ma'am,
Two participants have raised hand. Only two are present in the class. Na? Others, what are they doing? Hurry up, hurry up. Last 1 minute. Still two. Such simple tenses, beta. I have not given a huge task to you. Simple work. Hurry up.
Ma'am, can we start?
Ma'am, may we start? Modals पढ़ाए थे?
Sorry, ma'am.
Ah, very good boy. There is nothing to be sorry. We just learn like this only. May we start? Chale. Only 4 students are present in the class. Let me see if they are all invisible people here. Arish 54. Arish, good morning. Arish.
good morning, ma'am.
Arish. Good morning. Arish, what is the secret of 54 after your name? Please share it with us. What is Arish 54?
Ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know? Then why do you add 54 with your name? I thought there is some secret over here. Anant Gangwar?
No.
Good
Yes,
morning.
ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा. हैंड रेज करो. हो गया. इतना कोई बहुत मुश्किल काम नहीं दिया है. निष्कर्ष. Okay, automatically all hands raised so that ma'am does not take your name. Very smart. Shruti, what happened to you today? You have still not completed? Shruti, Yashi, Anmol. Shruti, good morning. Is she there? I will
Yes,
not mark.
ma'am.
Hmm. Okay. Anmol is already there. I know. Arish 54 is also there. Okay. Chale, let's discuss the answers. Spring is a time when everything on earth dash with fruits and flowers.
So that's why I'm believing it.
Answer
Is covered.
Is covered.
is covered.
Ma'am is covered.
Okay. Let's see. Is covered with fruits and flowers, and it dash a very beautiful time of the year.
Is.
Is.
Very good.
Is.
If we dash it with life, if we dash it with life,
Compare. Ma'am,
if
compare.
Compare.
very good. We will not change this. Compare will
Compared.
remain compare.
Ma'am,
only.
compare.
Excellent. If we compare it with life, childhood is the spring of life, and once it is lost, it never dash.
Returns.
Returns.
Turns.
Very good.
Returns.
Very nice class. Returns.
Returns.
The children who pick garbage every day find their life in garbage as it is the source of their livelihood. The childhood of these children dash in earning money.
Is lost.
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 Is lost. I just told you when I started ki don't go to simple past if things are true. So this fact is true now also, na? So we will say
Lost.
is lost. Lost nahi is lost. Because lost means पहले होता था अब नहीं होता है.
Ma'am
It's
is
simple
lost.
past. Is lost. Very good. They dash no relation with culture.
Have.
Have.
Very good. Very,
Have.
very good. It is have. Let's move on to the second one now. Very good, children. Let's move on to the second one. Tom Wilson dashed an explorer. He dashed to nearly every country in the world. But the most exciting time he dashed was when he dashed to Congo jungle. A magazine dashed him to retrace the route of a famous explorer who, in 1920, as he dashed a small river, he got separated from his guides. He dashed on alone, hoping he dashed them, but instead he dashed a group of natives. He dashed with them for several days and dashed that a very old woman dashed the famous explorer. She dashed how he dashed. Tom dashed very friendly with the natives and now he dashed to go back and see them again. He is sure they dash him back. Please do the second one. Just keep in mind the same thing which I told you. Same thing. What was the same thing? That if it is present now also, do not change the tense. 9 students are all Supermans. They have already done this. I'm waiting for the human beings. Only 2 human beings are there present, Arish and Shruti. Last 1 minute I'm giving you. Please finish it so that I can discuss the answer. Simpy is also there, Pratyush. Acha, previous hands. I was just thinking how Superman's. Chaliye beta, good children, all human beings, please complete it. Then raise your hands. Let me see how many have done. Only one. Okay. Now how many have done? 5 hands raised. Last 1 minute. Very good. 6 people now. Last 30 seconds. Should we start discussing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Tom Wilson dash an explorer.
Was.
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 Is.
Was. अब नहीं है बेटा. He dashed to nearly every country in the world.
Was.
Was.
Hmm?
He had been.
Tell me. See, be past tense. It can be when. It can be what? Is, was,
Went.
were, been. Is, was, were, been. So here it is past tense. So he had been to nearly every country. But the most exciting time he dash was. This is all in past perfect. Beta, this stanza.
Ever.
Ever was.
Ever had.
Ever had. So good. Was when he dashed to the Congo jungle.
When
Went.
Gone.
When he went to the beta, here we've already used had now. So in one sentence, don't do it 2 times. Had went to the Congo jungle. A magazine dashed him to retrace the route.
Asked.
A magazine
Asked.
Asked.
asked him to retrace the route of a famous explorer who dashed in the 1920s.
disappeared.
Disappeared.
Appeared.
As he dashed a small river,
Follows.
Followed. Followed.
he followed. We are talking about past tense now. As he followed a small river,
Yes.
he got separated from his guides. He dashed alone.
Went.
Very good, very good. He went on alone, hoping he dashed them. Tell me, hoping he dashed them.
Would find.
Yes, would find them.
Good.
But instead he dashed a group of natives.
Encountered.
Encountered.
Very good.
Was
Encountered a group of
encountered.
natives. No, not was encountered, only encountered a group
Okay,
of
ma'am.
natives. He dashed with them for several days.
Stayed.
Stayed.
Very good. Very good. He stayed with them. But instead, he stayed with them for several days and dashed out a very old woman.
Found.
Found.
Found out.
Very good. Found out a very old woman. Dashed the famous explorer. Actually met. Changed the meet into met. Actually met the explorer. She dashed how he dashed.
Knew.
Knew
Very
how he
good.
died.
Knew.
She knew how he died.
Died.
Very good. She knew how he died. Tom dashed very friendly with the natives.
Became.
Came.
So good. And now he dashed to go back.
Planned.
Very good. Planned to go back. He's sure they dashed him back.
Welcomed him back.
Welcome him back.
Yes, they will welcome him back. No change in the tenses. So he's still planning. So no change in past. Sue Thomas is a fashion designer. She dashed clothes ever since she a young girl. She her first job in a clothes factory when she was 16. She dashed buttons onto a shirt one day when she dashed a brilliant idea for a design. After she dashed to her bank manager, she got a loan and she dashed her own little workshop. Now she dashed lot of money. Next year, she dashed a shop which will see all her own designs. She dashed clothes to a lot of famous people, including film stars and singers. And she dashed she will be very rich soon. So let's do the third one very quickly, then raise your hands. Once you finish, raise your hands, beta. Three students have already done. Very good. Okay, let's start, children. If you all are ready, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, one of you speak the first sentence, anybody, and then the second one followed by the third one. Do it. Start. Start, beta. Who would like to start? Who would speak? So many hands raised. Vishwansh? Vishwansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Beta, you start. You are the first one to raise your hands. Give the answers. Let's see. Yes, beta, speak.
Ma'am, my network connection, ma'am. The screen is not clearly visible. It is black.
Okay, your net is finished. Oh my God. What about Arish? Arish, you have net or your net is also finished?
Sue Thomas is a fashion designer. She made clothes ever since she
Very good, Anant. Continue.
clothes ever since she was a young girl. Uh,
Yes, continue.
she got her first job in a clothes factory when she was 16.
Yes.
She sewed buttons onto a shirt one day when uh, she got a brilliant idea for a design. After she spoke to her bank manager, she got a loan and she opened her own little workshop. Now uh, may, uh, makes lots of money. Next year, she opened a shop which will sell all her own dresses. She sells clothes to a lot of famous people, including film stars and singers, and she thinks she will be very rich soon.
Excellent. Too good. बहुत ही बढ़िया. Very, very good, Anant. Excellent. Who would like to try next? The same one.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, Anant. Yes, anybody else? Nishkarsh, Pranjal, Pratyush, Yashi, anybody would like to take up this challenge? The entire thing? Come on, how nicely he did it now, Anant.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay,
Can
Nishkarsh.
I?
May
Please.
I?
Okay, first Nishkarsh said, so let's start with Nishkarsh. Yes, start with that. Very good.
May
She
After
was a
Nishkarsh.
famous
Chalo, start.
designer. She began making clothes ever since she was a young girl. She got her first job in clothes factory when she was 16. She saw buttons onto her shirt one day when she when she had a brilliant idea for a design. After she spoke to her bank manager, she got a loan. She opened her own little workshop. Now she make, make, makes a lot of money. Next year, she opened a shop which will sell all her own designs. She sold clothes to a lot of famous people, including film stars and singers. She thinks she will be very rich soon.
Excellent, rest everything is correct. Next year she will open, not next year she opened. Okay, rest everything is perfectly fine. It should be only next year she will open. That is perfectly good. Very, very good, Nishkash. Excellent. Yes, who is the next one to try?
Ma'am, can I?
Yashi? Okay, Yashi. Start, beta. Yashi wanted to do, then Pranjal. Okay.
Thomas is a fashion designer. She make clothes ever since she was a young girl. She got her first job in a cloth factory when she was 16. Saw button onto a shirt one day when she had idea for a design. After she spoke to her bank manager, he got a loan and she own little workshop. I'm done.
Uh, See, beta, how nicely he has also spoken. You just need to be confident. That's it. This shows that anybody and everybody can do it. Very good, Yashi. Yashi, you wanted to try? Start,
Ma'am,
Yashi.
I didn't spoke.
I didn't.
Okay,
I
ma'am.
Pranjal.
Sue Thomas.
Yes. Speak, beta, Yashi.
Sue Thomas is
Then,
a fashion designer. She makes clothes ever since she was a young girl. She got her first job in a cloth factory when she was 16. She sewed buttons onto a shirt one day had when she had a brilliant idea for a design. After she spoke to her bank manager, she got a loan and she opened her own little workshop. Now she makes lots of money. Next year she will open a shop which will sell her all own designs. She sells clothes to a lot of famous people including film stars and singers, and she thinks she will be very rich.
very good. Excellent. See how nicely you realize that rest everything was going on in the past tense earlier. Was, is, and then she will open a shop. This is how nicely it was done. Is there someone left? Someone left who would like to try? No? I think we can do one more very quickly. Let's discuss only. Let's not give time. Let us do it together. Okay? Because we just have 3 minutes. If we'll do together, we'll be able to finish it. I'll speak and you give me the answers. Be ready. Chale, let's start. One day, a little Indian boy dashed outside his wigwam.
Sat outside.
Sat out.
Sat outside. Very good. He dashed how the Indians
He
Wonder.
wondered. Very good.
Under
Wondered how the Indians dashed their children's names.
choose his tongue.
Choose. Chose.
Choose,
The word will
choose.
be chose. He dashed
Chose.
to go and ask the Indian chief.
Decided to go.
Decided to go. Well, dashed the chief.
choose
Well explained.
Well,
Explain. Very good. Well,
explained.
explained the chief. We dash nature.
Love,
love
loves.
Love
We love nature. And when a new baby dash born
was born.
is born, very good,
Is
is born.
born.
When a new baby is born, we dash around,
Looks around.
Looked
Looks
around.
we
around.
look around, and we dash a name from what we dash a name,
Choose a name.
we
Chooses.
choose a name from what
choose
we, yes, we choose a name from what we see, like flowering waterfall, bright star, running bull, and so on. Dash, you understand. What is the chief asking?
You understand?
Good.
Yes, you understood. Very good. You understood. So the chief is asking the boy, you understood? Question mark. Yes, chief, the little Indian boy said. Why Dash so interested in this? Two dogs fighting, the chief asked. Why?
You were
Why?
You
Why
were
you were? You were or you
so
are?
interested in this.
you were
Ma'am, you were
Why you were or you are? Very quickly.
you
Why
were
you are?
you were
Beta देखो. It is fighting. It is written fighting. ing. ing means present continuous over here. So why are you so interested? Why you are so interested? Because B becomes is or was. So here it is written ing. Two dogs fighting. Fighting here means present continuous. We're talking about present continuous. So it should be why you are so interested in this. Done these exercises based on tenses. Very good class. You performed very well. Excellent. Now just see this. There is a small part over here. Very quickly, let's do this. Yes. The thief dash red-handed.
Catch.
caught.
Caught.
Yes, caught.
The thief
A
caught
bomb.
red.
Yes, second one. A bomb scare dashed the flight by 2 hours.
Delayed.
Delays.
Very good. Delayed. Very good. Next. The stadium dashed with dance, music, and drama. Reverberated. What should it be? Reverberated. Troops from different parts of the country dash a panorama of colors and costumes.
Presented up.
Presented. Very good.
present.
I presented. I dashed the whole day yesterday in bed.
Spent.
Spent. Spent.
Spent. Sorry.
Past tense. The past tense of spend is. Past tense of spend
And
is
spent.
spent. Yes, very
Spent.
good. Next one. Students from different parts of the country dash in the program.
Participated.
Participate.
Participated in the program. It is true that Jim Corbett dash animals. Loved animals. Very good. Loved animals. But he also dashed many man-eaters.
Killed.
Killed.
Skilled. Very good. The skill. I dashed Telugu from a friend.
Learn.
Learned.
Learned.
Who dashed from Andhra Pradesh.
You hailed from.
Who
Hailed.
hailed. Who hailed. I learned Telugu. Who hailed. Next one, eighth. The bridge across the river dashed in 200 years ago.
Was
Was built.
Was.
The wicked people who dash brown sugar.
built.
I'm asking the ninth one, beta. The wicked people who dash brown sugar.
Smuggled.
Smuggled into the town dash yesterday. Arrested. Very good.
Smuggled.
Last night the clouds dash in the sky.
Thundered.
Thunder.
In the sky.
Thundered. Very good. It is thundered. Now come to this one last part. This is I dash here since morning.
I had been waiting here since morning. I
Tell
had
me.
been waiting here since morning.
Have been waiting. Next, it dash raining since yesterday. Second one.
It hadn't stopped.
Hadn't stopped me, hasn't stopped is the option.
Hasn't
Third
stopped.
one. I dash interested in metaphysics.
I have always
Have
I have
always
always
been. Very good. Where dash the sunrise? Tell the fourth one. What is the correct answer to the fourth one?
been.
Sam does.
Does. Very good. Where does the sun rise? Okay. Fifth one. I dash to a foreign country.
Have never been.
Have never been. I dash to a great radio show on the way to work.
I was listening.
I was.
I was listening.
Was listening. Very good. It is was listening. The major said that it dashed him great pleasure to be there that evening.
Gave.
Gave
Gave
him.
him
Very good. It gave him great pleasure. The stranger asked Alice where she, eighth one,
was living.
Lives.
where she lived. Beta yahan dekho, it is asked. So it is asked means past tense. So if it is past tense, then it should be lived. Okay, the ninth one. A magistrate asked the accused what dash with his hand in the gentleman's pocket. Yes, magistrate asked the accused.
What he was doing with it.
Yes, what he was doing with his hand. The last sentence now. The lion told the mouse that he was very weak and that his teeth dash out.
She
Had fallen.
had fallen out.
Had
Had
fallen.
fallen.
Fallen out. Very good. It should be had fallen
Had
out. Which
fallen.
tense is this? Which tense is this? Had fallen wala?
Past perfect.
Very good. It is. So we are done with this entire exercise,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
all the chapters, all the four exercises in fill in the blanks related to tenses.